The most important message that I share with the CU ski team is to ski safely. Sure, I want them to go as fast as they can, but safety on the mountain is critical. I recommend these 8 steps for safe skiing. The first one is equipment selection and maintenance. The right equipment matters. Make sure your skis are the right length, your boots fit, and your bindings are set appropriately for your skill level. Protective gear. Always wear a helmet and goggles. Always. The next is awareness training. There are endless amounts of variables on the mountain, and being aware of yourself and others are critical to staying safe. Exercise. Sign up for a ski conditioning class at your gym or local rec center before the season starts. Take the time to get your body ready to hit the slopes at maximum potential. Rules of the road. Learn your responsibility code. Go to coloradoski.com and click on the safety tab to learn more. Equipment orientation. Get to know how your gear works so that it can work for you. Fall training. Yes, there's such a thing as learning how to fall on skis, and it's critical to avoid injury. You want to keep your extremities in, roll with your momentum, and keep sliding till you stop. Terrain analysis. Know where you are going. If you're new to the mountain, make sure you pick up a trail map to better familiarize yourself with the terrain. Don't be caught off guard by the double black diamond all-mogul run that may come your way if you take that turn. Growing up in Colorado, I know that skiing is a way of life out here, and unfortunately, injuries come with the territory. I'm passionate about helping people get back to the slopes and staying safe and healthy once they get there. So I would love to see you, but I would much rather see you on the chairlift than in my office. The mountain is full of obstacles, unknowns, and variables, and the risk of injury is always there. But if you keep these tips in mind, you'll give yourself the best chance for staying safe on the slopes.